There's a really good reason to have a Nexia-enabled control as part of your heating and air conditioning system. If something comes up, it can send an alert directly to your dealer so he can remotely access details and real-time data to diagnose the current issue and possibly prevent a major system malfunction down the road. If the system requires a service call, he's prepared with everything he needs, eliminating multiple calls, quickly getting your comfort back on track. Nexia Diagnostics. It's like having your own service tech built in.